Brilliant. So I'm going to remove these objects from your ear. I'm not quite sure what they are at the moment. It looks like a pencil lead to me, but let's extract them. I still don't know what this is, but it's got a sharp end, so wherever it is, hopefully it hasn't done any damage. Just one more. No, it's come out. You've just got a bit of dead skin. Let's remove that for you. Let's have another look inside your ear. Yeah, your eardrum's fine. Fortunately, that object hasn't caused any trauma. To me, it looks like a sharp end of a pencil that's been really sharpened. And if I show you, you'll see how sharp the end is.
Oh my, what is it? Oh.
I think there's one way we can find out. We can actually, I'll try and write on some paper and see if it is a pencil, but it's hard to tell. It looks like lead to me. But you can see how sharp the end is. And that was the bit that was facing towards your eardrum. Fortunately, it wasn't all the way to your eardrum.
But it would have gone through.
It may well have perforated it. How do you feel now? Does that feel better?
Yeah.
What's your reaction about that?
I'm shocked.
Makes two of us. Well, I think it makes four of us. So I'm just going to... No, thankfully not. There's no legs or wings or whiskers, so it's definitely not a creature.
I'm glad I've asked you to look.
Let me just get some paper and we'll find out.
Yeah. Just to back into anything.
No, it's not actually a pencil lead because...
You know, we have the ant baits down in the summer. Because we used to suffer from ants in the house and you have to click all the four corners off.
Okay.
For the ant bait to work, and it looks to me like one of them that you click off.
Yeah,
but you could have clicked up
no, just
in the air.
I've had weirder things happen, but it's not a pencil lead, so we can confirm that here today. I've tried to write on some paper, and it's definitely not a pencil, so it may well be that. If you do become aware of what it may be, please do let me know and inform me. I'm sure my YouTube fans would like to know as well.
Oh, yes, I'm sure I would. I'll let you know. Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm fascinated. There you